Maze,
Yes.
we're filming.
Oh, sorry. Okay, hey guys, it's me, Maizelynn, and welcome back to Maizelynn's Makeup Monday! So, today, we are going to be doing a video with the Alien palette made by Jeffree Star that I got in the Valentine's Day thingy-mabobber mystery box. And I'm also going to be using the gloss, the succulent color. Yeah, succulent color gloss. It's really, really pretty. And I also have a unique cream shadow brush and a Sephora brush. Okay, so last week's video was me thinking I was filming a brush video and then eating my brushes. Just kidding. Scratch the... Yeet. And then my mom came in and handed me the Jeffree Star thing that I had to open and then figure it out.
What are you doing?
Filming.
I got your present.
Mine.
Happy Valentine's!
Thank you. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a Jeffree Star. So you planned that? You knew this? Oh my gosh. So, and then now, this week, we're playing with this. I haven't messed with this. I only swatched it. It's the same day, and I can't wait, and I'm filming again. I saw all the swatches on my hands. And I just really wanted to play, so I had to film at the same time. That's why I'm still wearing a beanie. You're going to be seeing this probably in all of my videos now. Just a headband unless I'm actually doing makeup. Let's play. Ooh, it's an alien. Woo! So the shade here, I'll just run through the shades really quick. So we have Pluto, Titan, Alien, Interstellar. Okay. Interstellar. Oh, I was right. And abduction, UFO, gravity. I'm still drinking tea. It's gravity. Oh. Okay. Anyway, Martin. Yeah. Okay. Flying, saucer, phone home, moon rock, X-Files, and it has an alien. And for my sister's birthday, we actually did a alien escape room, and we had to go through all these files in order to find a code. It was fun. It was great. It was awesome. It just reminded me of that. And then we have the Ghost OG, Area 51, Space Cowboy, amazing, Probe, Tall Gray, and Black Hole. So I'm first going to be diving in with the X-Files really quickly, and I'm going to use the cream brush. Oh, I'm just dotting it. Whoa. I can't see far away without my glasses, so fun fact. This is where I'm going to be cleaning it up apparently with this brush. Now I'm going to go back in obviously with X-Files so that I can do the other eye. I know I put it on here, don't judge. Do-do-do, do-do-do. If you're wondering why I use this to like kind of clean it up, I don't know, I just done that. Pretty, okay. Now I'm gonna kind of go in with like this fluffier brush from Sephora. It's pretty too. Decisions. Wait, I'm gonna go in with Pluto. So the first, this one, the first one, I don't know why, but I wanted to go in with Pluto because I think it's gonna accent nicely like the brown. Beautiful. I just lightly dab it, and then you should always clean your brushes before you mix eyeshadow. I think we're gonna do a color right there, maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this tiny lip brush by Fantasy Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in, I think, with the Interstellar, that one. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna do the other one. I'm not gonna go as crazy as Jeffree does. Now I think we're gonna go in with Alien because that's the name of the palette, and kind of go under like my eye a little bit. Oh, that looks cool. Cool. I'm going to do UFO like right here. I'm going to try and do that. I'm going to use this brush because it's bigger and I feel like it'll be easier. So I'm going to go in with UFO real quick. I'm going to just kind of, it goes like right here. So it's an alien palette, so we're going to have fun. As you can see, we're already having fun, because why not? And we're kind of, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here. Okay. We're going to do Moon Rock over Pluto, I think. I guess we could do, we're going to do Pluto right there. I mean Moon Rock. And this is what's going to kind of combine the colors. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh, okay. Bam. So we have some Moon Rock right here. Right here we have Pluto right in like the crease right there. And then we also have under my eyelid, I have Alien. I mean, I felt like we needed to have Alien in there somewhere. And then under Interstellar, we had X-Files. And then we had Interstellar. Then right here we had UFO. We're going to be using Succulent from Jeffree Star, obviously, and he's never gonna make these colors again. He said he's not gonna make the colors, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping all of these and like the boxes, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna add this on really quick and adding. I like how he gets straight to the point when he names it the gloss. I like how he gets straight to the point, honestly, he does. And now we're just going to be adding on some Maybelline New York. I like the Maybelline push-up angle mascara because the brush is really tiny, so it's easy to like bam. So we have the gloss that we used, Jeffree Star's Alien palette, Sephora mirror, and then a Sephora brush, and a unique, or in a fantasy brush, and this mascara. Comment down below if you like this look. I like the alien underneath. I think it looks really, really cool. So Jeffree Star is coming out with Bloodlust, his new palette that's all purple, but I'm not going to be able to get it, sadly. So I'm just going to do next week, I'm going to use the Alien palette, and just do an entire look with Area 51. Stay tuned if you want to see how that turns out. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Love you guys. Bye.